Welcome or welcome back to our channel. In this tech talk, we would like to provide you some quick and handy information on our products. In this episode, my colleague and me are going to show you our Red Post pasteurizing monitoring system. My name is Christian. I'm product manager for quality control equipment with Haffmans. I'm situated in Venlo, the Netherlands, our headquarters. So, what is the Pentair Haffmans Red Post?
Hello, I'm Randy Lene. I'm a production manager for the Red Post device. The Red Post is a monitor for pasteurizing tunnels. What we have here is our RPU 353, which is our device with the most options. So what it does is it measures the temperature inside a bottle. It measures the temperature of spray water inside the pasteurizing tunnel, and it also measures the pressure of the bottle. So this tells us something about the microorganisms within the beer, and this tells us something again about shelf life. So what it calculates is pasteurizing units, and for beer, for example, one pasteurizing unit is 60 degrees for 1 minute is one pasteurizing unit.
Okay, so the whole device will eventually go into the pasteurizing monitor.
Yep.
And there are very harsh conditions in there. Temperature is high and water is running down on the instrument. So I guess it needs to be prepared very well before it goes in.
Yes, definitely. It has some preparation. So we can do it right here, and if you can do the handling, then I will explain what is going on.
Yes, let's do that.
Okay, great. Then let's start with the piercing mechanism. So the piercing mechanism has a piercing rubber. This has to be visually checked if it's in good condition. How it is set up now is for cans, but we also have an add-on that you can use to pierce bottles. This gives some more stability to the piercing mechanism and also centers the bottle. So now if you put the bottle inside the Red Post device and you mount the piercing mechanism, you can see here also there are height adjusters on the side. So these are modularly built, so you can adjust the height for different bottles and for different cans. Yeah, correct. So now you prepare it for piercing. So now you can, the next thing is that you use the correct probe length. So it's important that you measure at approximately 15 millimeters from the bottom of the bottle, because here is the coldest spot within the bottle in the pasteurizing tunnel. So you can see here, this is the correct probe length for this bottle, because it goes completely to the bottom, 15 millimeters approximately from the bottom. So if you now mount it, of course, it's not yet pierced, so it's on the cork. And we can now start with the connectors. So if you check the connector and want to connect it to the Red Post device, check the connector first if there is an O-ring in there and if this has a good condition. Second step is that you grease the connector, and this should be done each 50 times that you use the device. So if you greased it, it's very important that you connect it to the Red Post with the turning wheel, and you turn the wheel until you really hear a click. This can be difficult, but you really have to hear the click to get the right connection and make it also 100% waterproof. Yeah. So there the click is. So now we can connect the second sensor, which is the spray water probe. Here it's the same procedure. Check if the O-ring is in and if it's in a good condition. Grease also the connector, and then turn the wheel until you really hear a click. So now we can set the device on. So the device comes with a set of operating magnets. And if you take one magnet, and you can operate the device with one of the buttons at each corner. So the on button is on the left top, and if the device has started up, you can do a 0-point calibration. This has to be done before each measurement to compensate for atmospheric pressures, to the differences in atmospheric pressures. So if the zero calibration is done, we can connect the pressure sensor to the Red Post device. And when that is connected, we can finally push on the handles and pierce the bottles, and then eventually slide in the temperature probe. So the last step here is that we do a visual inspection, because these hoses here, it looks pretty good right now, but they have to be within the package, because else they can get damaged in the pasteurizing tunnel or even ripped off. So here, Christian has done a great job. Yep, correct. And now we can start the device again with the operating magnet. Go to the start button, and the device will start measuring. So now you can take it to the pasteurizing tunnel and start the real measurement. We advise at the end, if the device comes out of the tunnel, it will be completely wet, then we advise to give it a wipe down, because it will be completely wet. If you disconnect a connector, it's possible that moisture can get into the red post device, and this will damage it. So please wipe it down. If you want to read out this data, you can connect it through our RPC, and the RPC is used also for charging. So you connect it to the same connectors as you do the temperature probes. So now the device is charging, and if you connect it to your laptop, it will also, you can read out the data on your laptop and download it from the device and analyze the data on the laptop.
Wow. Thank you, Randy, for the explanation. I think that was very interesting. I hope for you it was also interesting watching. If you want to know more about our other quality control devices, please browse the videos on our channel or have a look at our website. You'll get all relevant information and links, references, and so on in the video description. And yeah, if you would like, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the bell for notifications if you want to. If you like, to watch more videos, so just go on the channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time on our Tech Talk channels.
Thank you. See you next time.